Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars ranked mode, step by step. Ranked is a competitive game mode where you test your skills against other players. You'll earn ranked points for wins, helping you climb through various leagues. Reaching higher ranks unlocks fantastic exclusive rewards and shows off your dedication. To even begin your journey, you'll need to have accumulated at least 1,000 total trophies on your account. Before diving into ranked matches, preparation is key. It's wise to master at least 3 to 5 brawlers, ensuring they are upgraded to power level 9 or higher. This allows you to equip their powerful star powers and gadgets, which are crucial for competitive play. Also, stay informed about the current meta, understanding which brawlers perform best on specific maps and against popular team compositions. With the kimchi ready, it's time for the eggs. In a small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are light and frothy. This aeration helps create a fluffy texture. Pour the whisked eggs directly over the sautéed kimchi in the pan. Cook gently, stirring occasionally, until the eggs are softly set, but still moist. Avoid overcooking to maintain their tender consistency. Your journey through ranked mode involves gaining points for victories and losing them for defeats, determining your league progression. You'll start in bronze, advancing through silver, gold, diamond, and mythic leagues. The ultimate challenge awaits in legendary and masters, where only the most skilled players compete. As you climb, you'll unlock fantastic rewards, including exclusive skins, valuable coins, and bling, which can be used to purchase cosmetic items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.